chocolate crayons. Yum, so tasty! Get some white chocolate and light up your fondue set. Place the white chocolate in, let it melt and stir. Pour it into a plastic bowl and add some pink food coloring, or any color that you want. Stir it and add some more. Add cornstarch and stir some more. This will make the consistency more tough, kind of like Play-Doh. Roll and wrap in baking paper. Put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now, repeat step by step with different food coloring to create different colored crayons. Now you have one crayon done, repeat the step for each crayon color. You can then wrap them in crayon wrappers to make them official. Sweet paint. To create your palette of sweet paint, get some pudding and white yogurt. Put some yogurt into a cup and add some food coloring. Do the same thing for each color of your palette. Get some Nutella and add that in as well. And then also add some natural yogurt. Add some pudding, and then continue on with your colored yogurt. Once the palette is full, go ahead and enjoy. Tortilla bookmark. Get a pack of tortillas. Use a ruler to cut straight lines throughout the tortilla. Now you have a perfect strip. Mix food coloring with water, and that way you'll get the perfect tortilla paint. And then have fun drawing some funky designs. Let it dry and repeat on the other side. And there you have it, the perfect tortilla bookmark. Perfect for holding your page or when you forget your lunch. Yummy gummy worms. Grab your favorite pens and markers that you like to use at school. Make sure to have some tasty gummy worms on hand. Take the back off of your marker or pen and take a pin to extract the insides. Take your gummy worms and insert them inside the back of the pen or marker. You can use your pin to help insert the gummy worm fully. And there you have it, your gummy worm pens. Add them right into your pencil case and you are good to go. Happy snacking! Sweet glue stick. Get some cake icing. Take a stick of glue and wind it until the end until you can fully remove the glue. Fill the empty tube with cake icing and then pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And there you have it, a sweet sneaky snack. Cocoa eraser bits. We can't resist. Grab 2 pencils and some coconut bits. Doodle some notes in your notebook. Erase them. You will see eraser bits on the paper. Replace the eraser bits with the coconut chips. Spread the chips on top of your notebook. your friends are watching, snack on your delicious coconut eraser chips. Marshmallow eraser. Get yourself some marshmallows and try not to eat them right off the bat. Take your pencil and doodle something onto your notebook. Then, take your pencil and remove the eraser. Take your marshmallow and cut it into the shape of the original eraser. Then, insert it into the back of the pencil. You can shimmy it so that it fits in just perfectly. Et voila! Your teachers are going to be so confused why you're eating the back of your pencil. Yummy glue. Get yourself some glue and condensed milk. Make sure the bottle of glue is all cleaned out. Squeeze the condensed milk into the glue bottle and shake. And then go ahead and confuse all of your friends when you take the glue bottle with you out for lunch. Chewy eraser. Take 2 Mamba candies and stick them together. Massage it until it's molded into the shape of an eraser. Draw a little something on your notebook and then go ahead and test out that eraser. Coconut correction fluid. First, take a pen and start by writing a phrase in your notebook. Usually, liquid dry erase will remove any mistakes you might have by painting it right over. But this is where things get funny. Clean out the bottle of dry erase fluid well, and then take your coconut milk and pour it into a funnel. Take this funnel and pour the coconut milk into the empty bottle. Put the cap back on. Get ready to prank everyone, because guess what? No mistakes will be hidden here. Uh-oh. Strange macaroons. Don't macaroons look so good? Open the macaroons carefully. Take the filling out of each, and then go ahead and add some mustard. Seal them up nice. Now, for the darker ones, go ahead and add some ketchup. Add some mayo to this one. And then if you really want to take it next level, go ahead and get yourself some wasabi sauce, which is especially tricky on the green ones. Here's a tip: match the condiments with the colors of the macaroons. Package them up nicely so no one will suspect. Tricky, tricky. What DIYs are you going to try? Let us know. Thanks for watching.